Na tai ir taigi sveiki, šiandien su jumis ir vėl Jonas, šiandien bus tokia biški baisi diena, nes mes žiūrėsim šitą šuduką, kuris he really needed our help, but it was too late. Tai va. O man ką kas vyksta. Tai karočią, mes žiūrėsim šitą dalyką ir... Man ką kas čia jau prašoka. Gerai, žiūrim. Ne, aišku, mes nežiūrėsim taip hebrytę, nes mano kompas biški šūdas, bet nieko. Karočią. Nu, žiūrim, kas čia stringa mano kompas. Oh my god, to hebra šitaisys. Nu, davai hebrytę, žiūrim šitą dalyką.
There was something upstairs that I wasn't supposed to see.
We gotta try to figure out what was making those noises.
What the hell is that, dude? Go!
Eik tu sau. Hebrytė čia jau biški baisu, bet nieko, davai čia.
Hello, Lux Army. Let's smash 100,000 likes to show how strong we are. So for this episode, we received a report from a 20-year-old...
Jo, strong VR, tvoj nužudys vieną kartą ir nelabai strong VR. Jo, dar žinau.
girl named Amber. Amber's uncle recently passed away, and she was left one of his properties in his will. Amber has only visited the house she inherited once and quickly left because she saw shadows and heard whispering like there was someone or something already living in there. She sent us this video for proof.
Okay. Kokia? Ale hebra, jūs matot šitą šešėlį? Ar jūs nors iš jūsų mato kažką, nežinau. Karočią. Eik tu šią!
So tonight we invited Amber to our house to talk, and after we're going to head out to this house and stay the night. Let's get started.
Introducing Grammarly, like you've never seen.
Na dai, kai tik buvau tūlikė, tai dai, pasižiūrim.
Okay guys, so it's about 10:30 right now. Amber's supposed to get here at 11, so we have about 30 minutes to wait.
Dude, I'm kind of scared about spending a night in that house.
Let's just wait to see what she has to say about it, okay?
Okay.
O kodėl jie tiesiog sėdi tamsioje?
Oh, did you hear that?
Yes, sir. She's knocking. All right, let's go. Let's answer the door.
Man keista, kodėl jie tiesiog tamsioje sėdi.
Is she opening?
Hi, Amber. Nice to meet you, Parker. Yeah, you can come in. Nice to meet you. So, are you ready to sit down and start talking?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let's sit
Jinai
down and
biški
talk.
keista, bet nieko. Ir čia nei kiek cool. Kažkokia, nežinau, durga. Ne.
Okay, Amber, thank you for coming over to talk.
Yeah, no problem.
So, can you tell us more about what happened when you went into that house?
So, you know, my uncle left me that house in his will. I got keys for it about a week ago. And last Tuesday, I drove there alone to check out the property. Basically, I went inside and I shut the door behind me. And then I started walking up the stairs.
And then what?
Then, as I was walking up the stairs, I got this really uncomfortable feeling. Like my body was stiffening. Like there was something upstairs that I wasn't supposed to see.
And did you make it all the way upstairs?
Well, I tried. I was almost on the second floor before I started hearing the whispers. At first, I thought it was the radiator or something, but it kept getting louder.
Hebrytė, čia tikrai nereitor, ar kaip tai sako. Čia tikrai ne. Čia turėtų kažkoks, nežinau. Aš pasimčiau keptuvę ir voštelčiau per galvą.
And louder. Like whatever was making those noises wanted me to hear.
And what did you do after that?
I barely remember what happened. Like my brain shut off. And my body started running down the stairs.
The hell?
I just got back to my car and I started crying.
Do you have any idea what could be happening in that house?
I'm not really sure. I just can't go back there alone.
Okay.
O tai kaip jinai ėjo į viršų, ar ne, hebra? Ir buvo šio mašinoj. Tai jinai arba buvo in the basement, Arba jinai tiesiog iššoka iš antro aukšto lango. O būna, tai aš tai nebijočiau iš 9 aukščio šokti, jeigu tokį nežinau.
Amber, listen, this is what we need to do. We need to drive to that house tonight and set up cameras. We gotta try to figure out what was making those noises.
Okay.
I mean, do you feel comfortable enough to do this?
I mean, I'm uncomfortable, but I trust you.
Okay, well, if you're ready, we can go head out there right now.
Aš tai irgi
All right,
tikėčiau
Chester,
jų.
you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Aš tai irgi jų patikėčiau. Aš mėnesį, taigi.
Dude, I'm really freaking out about that video she took. I really don't know about spending the night there.
What about you, Amber? Are you feeling all right?
I'm actually having a lot of anxiety right now.
I know, just don't worry about it. You're not alone this time, because we're coming with you, okay?
Do you think I'm crazy?
No. Let's just keep driving.
Da, kas čia per klausimas? Nu, bet atrodo, kad į kažkokią kaimą varo, nes
Dude, we're here. This is the place.
This is it?
Yeah, this is it.
Bro, this place is really creepy. Look how big it is.
Okay, you guys ready?
aš tai nieko nemačiau, kad tas būtų didelė.
Okay, so this is the entrance.
Yeah.
We're gonna lock this door and let's go inside.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, it smells like it. Okay, Amber, if you just want to find a room to sleep in,
Welcome.
Chester and I are gonna set up the cameras in this house, okay?
Okay.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Bet man keista, kaip jie nebijo eiti. Nu, aišku, čia netikra, bet jeigu tikra, kaip jie nebijo eiti.
Okay, guys, so we're gonna set up some cameras in this house. Let's put a camera in the hallway here. Okay, that's good. We're gonna go down to the basement, put a camera in there. Oh, this place is creepy. All right, well, let's put the camera right here. That's good. Let's go.
O va,
What was that?
The wind?
iškart jau.
Okay, I guess this could be our room.
Ir sako
Let's,
9.
put the camera in here. Okay, we're just gonna put a camera in Amber's room really quickly. Hi. Is it okay if we just put a camera in your room for the night?
Okay.
Okay, yeah, let's put this camera in here.
Bet hebrytė man biškai keista, kodėl jie neįjungia šviesas arba kažką. O čia jie taip... Ką žinau iš tikrųjų.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so we're gonna go to sleep now. Just totally relax. We're gonna review the footage from the cameras in the morning, okay?
Okay.
Okay, alright, let's go.
Dude, I don't think I'm gonna be able to sleep in this house.
Bro,
I
just
should
relax.
guess.
I'm here, Amber's here. We just need to relax for tonight and let the cameras do their job, okay? Check the footage in the morning.
Alright, whatever.
Alright, good night.
Good night.
Na gerai, čia jau man rodos prasidės kažkoks tai dalykas. We go to sleep. Mes einam miegot. Jinai kažkaip keistai miega, nežinau kodėl, bet... Aha. Aha. Kodėl mane išgąsdino toksai dalykas? Matom, kad musė skraido. Kokia per boba. Ir nebėra jos. Jo, man irgi širdis pabiški pradeda, žinai, aukštyn. Oba. Kokia? Degrenį. Fui. Bet čia 2 valandos nakties. Teblaštis. O tai gerai, jinai moka kalbėt. Everybody hide. Kai tik pasakoma, tai jinai biškai durna, bet nieko.
Alright guys, so it's about 6:30 in the morning right now. We just woke up.
Dude, I did not sleep well at all.
Alright, well, are you ready to go check out the footage from the
Yeah,
cameras
guys,
with Amber?
Sergey.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go check this out.
O, pagaliau
Amber,
šviesą
you ready
įjungė.
to review the footage from last night?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go sit down.
Okay.
Okay, so we have the footage from the cameras from last night here. Let's check this out. Okay, so it looks like not much is happening in our room, or your room, or the hallway.
Check on the area where the noises were coming from.
Okay, hold on.
Wait, dude, what's that?
Oh my god.
What's that person doing?
Okay, Chester, how about we go upstairs and try to see what's going on in that area?
Oh my god, dar
Let's go.
durniau
Amber, wait
negali
here, okay?
būti.
Dude, where did
Hebra, dar durniau tai negali.
Dude, all the windows in here are locked. There's nowhere she could have came from.
Come here, look at this.
What is it?
What is this thing here?
It's a bookcase.
Yeah, but bro, it's blocking the doorway.
What?
The bookcase is blocking the doorway. Let's move this bookcase.
What do you mean?
Dude, look.
Oh my god.
Look, there's a door here.
They found the
Why would somebody
secret.
block a door? Is that like a bedroom?
I don't know. Maybe this is where the girl came from. Let's go.
O kam jūs eiktų sau?
Dude, what kind of room is this? Yo, what is this thing, bro? It's like a metal chest.
I don't get it.
Do you think this is the room where that girl could have came from?
Dude, what is that? Is it?
It's like this is an IV, dude. What's this liquid in here? Looks kind of fresh.
Nelieskit jūs durneliai, eiktų
Bro, I think this is
sau.
where she came from. There's a window in here.
All right, let's just make sure we put a camera in this room tonight too, okay?
All right,
let's go.
Jo. Atėjo antrą naktį.
Okay, so we're gonna leave the house after night one. I figure let's come back here tonight again and try to figure out what's going on in this place. I feel a little bit strange after watching that footage from last night, but let's just pick up in like 12 hours or so. Does that sound good?
Yeah, let's just do that.
Okay, all right, Amber, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, guys, so we're driving.
Jie sakė, kad bus tik vieną naktį, bet... Nelabai.
The house right now for night two. After what we saw from the footage from the first night, we really want to figure out what's going on in that house.
Dude, I'm still freaked out about that girl.
All right, so we just got to the house. You guys ready to go back in?
Wait, can we please not go back in? I really don't like this.
What's wrong?
I don't like the idea that someone could be in there watching me.
Okay, well, we'll just go in there for tonight, and if you really don't want to stay, you don't have to, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go inside.
Ne, tai jie verčia tą mergaitę. Nu, verčia. Nu, tai čia ne ką, žinokit, eurą.
Okay, look, Amber, you were right. There definitely is someone staying in this house, but I think that they know that we're here now, so we actually might have scared them off.
Yeah, I think it could have been like a homeless girl or someone staying here because they thought it was abandoned.
You don't think that girl had anything to do with my uncle, right?
Oba.
No, I don't think so.
What do you mean?
What did you say your uncle's job was again?
Never mind. Let's just go to sleep.
Okay, we'll review the footage tomorrow morning. Good night.
Apakė būtų.
Dude, why was she acting weird up there? You think she's not telling us something?
Dude, I just think she might be a little bit freaked out after that break-in last night.
You think that girl is what she was originally afraid of?
I don't know, dude. Something just feels off about this whole house. Did you lock our door?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, let's just go to sleep.
Hebrytė biški patylinam, nes čia biški per karšiai. O to taip. Okay, ngaičiu. Nieko baisiaus pakalkas. Halai. Ir vėl ta boba grįžę. Ai, bet iš to hidden room niekas neatėjo iš tikrųjų hebrytė. Tai kiek gal jie kažkokį, nežinau, durnelį ir neužrakina durų ar kažką. Kažkas negerai. Basement. Aha. Paimai čia pasiema. Tai jinai kažką valgo ar ką tenais veikia? Help me? Oh my! Hebryte, tai čia mes žinom, kad ta boba yra, nu, gera biškė. Tai kitas iš koks skeletas. Ate. 5 valandą. Okay.
Alright guys, so it's about 5 in the morning. I just woke up. Something in this house does not feel right to me. So I'm gonna wake up Chester and get Amber so we can check on this footage. Chester, can you put on your sunglasses? I'm filming. Yo, I just woke up. Something doesn't feel right about this house, dude. Can you go wake up Amber? I'm gonna go set up the footage on the computers, okay?
Okay.
Go wake her up, please. Here's the camera.
Okay, čia tai nelabai hebryte. Tai ta bobelė tai iš tikro mato tos kameras ir jinai nėra bloga. Sakau, kad ta kažkokia boba susigrūs visą žmogų į burną arba kažką.
Yo, Amber, your door's stuck. We gotta get up. We gotta review the footage. Amber.
Hebras biškai atsitraukia, gerai?
Where's Amber?
Dude, she was like acting weird. She didn't want to come down.
Okay, what else?
Panaš ne Amber, man rodo.
Footage. Alright, nothing. Dude, look. It's the same girl, bro.
Wait. Look, she's going somewhere.
Where's she going?
Aha,
Hold
paėmė
up,
tą.
dude, she's doing something.
Is she writing?
Yeah, I think she's writing something.
Do you think she notices the camera?
Tai jo?
Dude, the girl's asking for help.
Dude, that doesn't make any sense. Why does she need help?
I think this girl's in danger.
She's the one breaking in here.
Dude, we need to go check on Amber.
Wait. There's something in the back.
What
is that?
Bro, what is that thing?
What the hell is that, dude?
Bro, we gotta check on where this thing came from.
Dude, I don't like this. You think it's still here?
I don't know, let's go check on it. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
Let's find this thing, bro. Start down here. Bro, something knocked on our camera.
What? What's down here?
Dude, did you hear that?
Is that Amber?
Bro, let's go upstairs, come on. Come on.
Aš tai nebėgčiau, Hebra.
Amber! Bro, where is she?
Dude, I swear she was just in here.
Yo, she's over here, come on.
Wait.
Hebra, čia tai video.
What's going on? Why are you in here?
Help! It locked me in here all night. You gotta believe me.
All right, let's go. Come on, let's go.
Go! Whoa, he's right there! Whoa! Dude, hurry!
Aš atsistojęs dabar.
Get car.
Drive!
Bro, what was that thing?
I don't know.
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
What did your uncle do? What was that thing in his house?
Ai, Hebra, tai Oh.
Alright, calm down. Let's just go somewhere else now, okay?
Okay. Hier. Bak. Jangai nesakė mums, kas jos uncle yra. Короче, jūs perskaitykite.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. Let's try to smash 100,000 likes for the next episode to be released. And thank you guys for 2.1 million subscribers. If you haven't already, make sure to smash that subscribe button and let's hit 2.5 million subs next. The video is over now, so you don't need to keep watching, but here's some footage from our other channel, exclusively scary content, luxury.
Tėti, darau videką biškį. O kas buvo?
Ryžių nėra, tai ar tą žuvį su bulka valgysit, aš tai...
O tai hebrytė mano tėtis atvarė biškį, paklausė, ar daryt šibulių fritą, mes klausysiu, ar kažką. Tai aš paskiau šibulių fritą. Короче, nu tai jau čia pasibaigė šitas.
Click the link in the description to watch the...
Jo, hebrytė, čia jau pasibaigė šitas. Jo, bro, čia visai tikrai baisu buvo. Nu, čia visai baisu buvo. Tai, nepamirškite laikinti ir subscribinti. Ir šiandien su jumis buvo Jonas. Ir... Jo. Tiesiog ate.